Well, hello guys, my name is Fernando and I'm going to explain you the problem that we made last Tuesday on electricity and magnetism class. Most likely the problem says that we got two spheres, each one of masses of 2.33 grams. Actually they're attached to a rope, which is the same one. Each part has 45 centimeters of length in the common point from. So the meaning is that from here to here and from here to here are 45 centimeters each one. Most likely at the beginning of the problem, the strings with the spheres were down. So what I'm telling you is that we're gonna make this line in the middle, and the problem says that the angle theta between both of them, it's 10 degrees each one. So we gotta determine Q1. In this case, we don't have to put Q1 to this one and Q2 to this one, since they're telling us that it's the same force, the same mass, and the same length. So most likely we don't need that. We'll need to like difference between them, so we can tell or put that. In this case, Q1 it's equals Q2, right? Most likely we're gonna divide the space, and this one is L because this is of the length of 45 centimeters. And if we take these two spaces, this one and this one, we can say that is 2L, right? Each L has 0.45 centimeters meters, I'm sorry, and we gotta put sin of 10 degrees. Why? Because in this case we know this length, which is 45 centimeters or 0.45 meters, and we got the angle. What we want to know is this part, right? So we're gonna make this, and then we can make 2L equals 90 meters sine of 10, right? And then we know that or R equals 9 times 10 to the 9, right? So that's a value that we already know since we begin the problem. In this case, what we're looking for is for FE, which is the charge, and we gotta know the formula for this one is gonna be Q squared divided by 2L, which is 90 sine 10 degrees, right? And this one is gonna be to the square. And then we're gonna put these values on the calculator, and we're gonna get a diagram of forces. I'm gonna make it here, diagram of forces, right? First of all, the diagram, I'm gonna make the cross this way. After this, I want to erase the blackboard so we can so we can most likely keep grinding and we can understand all these meanings. Here we got this, which is the first part of the diagram. Then on this part we have G and most likely G2. You can see like this G or this G will be the same. And this way we're gonna have the force that is attracting these two spheres, right? I want to erase this, so you gotta remember the values that I use in the formula that I used since the beginning, so we can continue putting on the formula. Then what we know is most likely that G, right, equals to 0.0033, and this one is the same as this one multiplied by 0.0093, okay? And that has a value of n. In this case, the formula gave us that what we need to do is like look for the tension E, and this one will be a magnitude. So we're gonna put like that so it can be a magnitude, and it will be the same as this one, right? So now what we're gonna do is magnitude tension cosine 10 degrees, which is in here. We gotta find this one, so we know that this one will be same as the magnitude G, which equals 9.823. I'm sorry about that. Alright, so basically what we're looking for is T, this one. We know the magnitude of this one is the magnitude of G, I'm sorry. Then we put this formula and we can deduce that this one will be the same as this one. 0.0023, which is the mass we have over here, but this one is in kilograms. So most likely what we need to do in this case for T magnitude is gonna be multiply this one 9.8, right? And then this one, remember that it's in kilograms, so we will need to put the zeros between after the point. And then what we got is the cosine of 10 degrees, right? So most likely this is what we are getting in the what we're getting on the formula, okay? We're gonna get the values, and then we're gonna get how much is the value for T. In this case, we're gonna continue is that the magnitude of Tx, the magnitude of Tx will be equals to the magnitude and the force in E, right? This is the first step that we're gonna do, and then we're gonna equal this to, it was T sine of 10, right? Then we can deduce that TE, also this one will be magnitude, I'm sorry, if FE, right? Also this one will be a magnitude equals the 9.8, which is a gravity, of with the 0.023. This one will be divided by the cosine of 10 degrees. All this will be multiplied by the sine of 10 degrees also. So in this case we gotta get the magnitude of FA, okay? Then we got this answer, and it's most likely 9.8. There we go, and this all this is gonna be multiplied by the tangent 10 degrees. Okay. I need you guys to remember these values, because what I want to do is erase, so we can continue putting the new values. Since the board is little, we're gonna erase all these. Hope you can remember it, and if not, remember, you can go back to the beginning of the video and most likely check what is where I get those values from. Okay, so we said the FE was same as 9.8, 0.0023, and this one will be multiplied by tangent 10 degrees. Okay, remember this is magnitude, and here we got a little bit of answers. Okay. After this, we gotta put this value in the first of the formula, and at the end we gotta get Q. That's what we're looking for. So F E equals K Q square, and this one, remember, is gonna be divided by 2L, and if you remember 2L, it's 0.9 sine of 10 degrees. Okay, and this one, never forget that is to the square. Here we go. So in this case, we gotta get is most likely get or Q, because that's what we're looking for. Okay. Remember that this one is 9.8, 0.0023, and this one is the tangent of 10. Okay. Tangent of 10. Now, what we have over here, we need to get this one, this Q all to square over here. So what we're gonna do is Q square. It's gonna be, the formula says that is 2L. Then we're gonna get gravity, which is 9.8, and G, which is the mass. And we're gonna take off the results from F E. Most likely is Q equals 0.9 sine 10 degrees, and let's multiply by 9.8, 0.03 tangent of 10, right? And this one is going to be divided from the value K, which is the one that I put at the beginning of the problem, and most likely what we got in here will be the result of all this problem. Okay, it's not hard. First of all, I forgot this. Remember that we have a square over here, so we put the root of all of this, we cancel this one, so with the root, and at the end we're only going to have a result of all this by the root. Okay, I hope you guys can understand. I'm going to leave you your homework, these values, so you guys can try it out at home and you can solve this problem. Okay, well, have a nice day. Thank you for watching my videos.